probably have no idea what chain root is if you're under 40. You're over 60, chances are at some point you might have had it. It's a wild vine that grows across Jamaica. It is dug up, dried, and boiled down into a bush tea. It's been a part of Jamaican and maroon herbal tradition and has also been passed down through generations, just as how herbal medicine was through the years, mouth to mouth or yard to yard. And this is a part people don't say out loud on camera. Old-time Jamaicans call it man tonic. And the folklore is pretty specific. It's believed to boost stamina, libido, and clean the blood. It's also one of the core ingredients in almost every roots tonic and strong back on the island, right alongside sarsaparilla. Now, whether any of that holds up scientifically, that's not something I'm claiming either way. What's interesting about this, it's not sold in any fancy wellness store. You probably find it in the market, tied up in some little bundles, and more than likely being sold by that same person who has been selling it for decades. It's not trendy, it's just has always been there. A route that most tourists will walk right past, that Jamaican households have quietly relied on for generations. But follow for more, because next up, we're talking about the tonic that combines this root with a dozen others into one bottle, sold by the roadside, no label, and it's probably made in a big pot in somebody's backyard.